The service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for northern Lincoln County. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles northwest of Chandler, moving rapidly northeast at 3 to 5 miles an hour. Areas impacted: Highway 18 north of Chandler, Parkland, and Kendrick. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.